Well, it's always nice to come back on location and be invited back. This is the Southwest College of Naturopathic Medicine. Joining me once again is Dr. Forrest Beck. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Welcome.
Thank you. It's nice to come back here because the last time we were here, we learned such valuable information. And today we're going to focus on what you do inside the Pain Relief Center when it comes to sports recovery. So tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, well, sports recovery encompasses a lot of different things, from rehydrating the patient or the patient athlete to get back on the court more quickly, to rehabbing them from an injury that they get on the court. So we do a number of different things, anything from acupuncture and cupping to cryotherapy to regenerative injections that are prolotherapy, stem cells, PRP. So we offer a broad number of treatments to get somebody back in action more quickly.
So that's what kind of sets you apart from the traditional medicine. So if someone wanted to have a different result and more effective, so to speak, in a faster way, but natural, they can put aside the traditional medicine and come here.
Yeah, and a lot of the things we do, assessing a patient, coming up with an individualized treatment plan, that's something we are really good at. But yeah, all of our treatments are natural based, and that's appealing to a lot of people because they have fewer side effects.
Nice.
They can get off some of their medications that maybe they're used to being on that can interfere with their activity on the court or field. So that's really useful to people as well.
And what are the type of things that you offer in the Sports Recovery Center? Because I know you have the cryo, you have the cupping, but you have a lot more as well.
Yeah, there are things like electromagnetic frequency, beamer mats they're called, that people lay on. Those help with energy levels. They help an injury heal more quickly. So the cryotherapy, like you mentioned, the injections, like you mentioned. We also use therapeutic ultrasound on tissue, and that helps to heal an area of the body. So a number of different things.
And it's not just for the professional athlete, it's also for the everyday person.
Correct, yeah. And it's also good that we focus on those things, but we also make sure we assess somebody's diet and nutrition, because that's really the foundation that allows these therapies to be more effective.
Well, I'm excited to see what you have to offer in the Pain Relief Center, so why don't we go take a look?
Great, let's go, thanks. So Danielle, we're here at the Pain Relief Center where we do a lot of the therapies and treatments for athletes, whether they're weekend warriors or professional athletes.
So this is the Pain Relief Center, but inside here you take care of sports recovery.
Correct.
And we're doing, going to see cupping, I understand. Something I've never seen before until I saw the Olympics with Michael Phelps. So exactly what is cupping?
Well, cupping has been in Chinese medicine a long time, and the idea behind it is that it increases qi, or energy, to an area. Traditionally, what you would think about is just increasing blood flow to the area, because the area gets quite red, and that's why you see these rings, these bruises, like that was on Michael Phelps' chest and back in the Olympics. So that's the idea behind it. But
you also do other things. NBA star LeBron James, he has the ice bath that he always talks about and does, and he says it's a great way for him to bounce back and be ready to play the game. But you have something here that's similar to it, but it's not exactly an ice bath.
Right, it's called cryotherapy. A lot of people have probably heard of that now. Ice baths are not very popular for just the average person. Right. It's really cold, but a cryotherapy is a very quick treatment, but has some of the equal benefits to an ice bath, where you can decrease inflammation, you can get people back on the court more quickly, you can increase metabolism. So it's really appealing because it only lasts 2.5 to 3 minutes, and then they're out the door. So it's a lot better than sitting in an ice bath for a half an hour.
And this is the difference between your facility and traditional medicine. You're trying to do something that's natural, that's more advanced in technology to get faster and better results, more efficient.
Yeah, and we have a spectrum of things to do that. Acupuncture and cupping is on one end, and we can keep going up to cryotherapy and some of the injection therapies to help with recovery and also repair of injuries that occur from sports. So quite extensive number of things that we do, and a lot of them are quick and they are natural, which is most important, and they don't carry the same side effects that a lot of other things do.
And that's important for people to know. If you've never been to the Southwest College of Naturopathic Medicine, they are quite different. They have a number of things that they offer here. So if you've never been, it's a great place to check out. It's in our own backyard right here in the Valley, and you can heal without having those traditional side effects and do it effectively and naturally. Thank you so much for having us out here again. It's fantastic to talk to you. You have a great wealth of information. This is a fantastic facility.
Thanks for coming, Danielle. I appreciate it.